Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and do activity 1.2.4, drawing number 3. I'm going to do it with a subtractive process again just because, well, it's the easiest, and I want to stress, when in doubt, you should try to be as lazy as possible. I mean that from an efficiency standpoint, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start moving a little bit faster here. What I'm going to do is, rather than dimension it after the fact, when I'm on this right here, I'm going to hit 2.5 tab 3.5, and that's going to go ahead and give me my properly dimensioned rectangle. You see, by hitting, just typing in and tabbing, it's just faster, to be honest. But I'll finish that sketch, and I'll extrude it up 3 inches, and then I'm going to go ahead and start sketching out and removing. I'm going to start from the top, and I'm just going to kind of take it out in layers. I'll sketch here, and I'm going to draw a rectangle coming from this corner down. That rectangle, as I look at it from this direction, it's going to be 2 inches, and tab 2.5, and hit OK. Finish sketch. If I look at my front view, I can see that I want to extrude that downwards, and I want to go down a distance of a 1/2 inch. So right there, I'll hit 0.5, and I'll hit OK. I'm then going to scale there. So I'm going to do another rectangle coming from this corner. It's going to come up, and looking at my distance here, that is 1.5 on the y-axis as I look at it, and on this axis it is 2. I'll hit enter, and again I'll extrude that out. That'll go down, looks like it goes down a little further, a total distance of 1. Oops, I'll click on that, and I'll drag down, and that'll go negative as this is going 1. Oops, I better undo that. Alright, I'll hit OK. That well. The last thing I'm going to need to do is put that hole there. So I'm going to sketch right on that surface. The size of the hole, it is 1 in diameter. I'll hit enter, and then I'll dimension it from this side. That is 1 inch. And from this side, click on that line, click on that line. That looks to be 0.75. Enter. I'll finish it by extruding it through, and I'll hit OK. So that is activity 1.2.4, drawing number 3.